These are the grounding starting points of your entire business, and if they're not on lock here, our second window will not work. Welcome to 2023. So excited for this year, and I'll be pushing you guys to a whole new level. How many of these places do I go through and the first window is there, but it is not being used? I want you to be proud of your product. Finding you. This week, we are jumping into our groups. Target audience. Super important that you know your customer. We'll talk about how we can add things that don't take away our time, don't take away our energy, but can add to our profitability. We're discovering who you are. We should never ever try to jump in at a level that somebody else is at without knowing all the baby steps first. I've had this business for over a decade and I have learned so much from it. Painful, good, hard things that I can then help you guys avoid. Auntie was kind of like a brand I could create that was a little mysterious. We're not gonna jump that far on like what can we do with this, because you to write down if you're scrolling on TikTok for 5 hours too. I am for you and I am so excited to push you guys this year. By me taking this year to slow down the process and really look at every single step you guys are on, encouragement from your community, hopefully, and if you don't listen to them. Listen to me. Look at me. Listen to me. I am your coach. Everybody's got a Cricut. Right now, people love giving gifts. Are we ready for it? I can do it all. You can't. Sanders. Mrs. Point isn't the machine that you have. The point is, who are you selling and marketing to? I want you to find your niche, your target audience, your person that you connect with. That's my job, is to help you guys pick a name you're proud of. All right. Love you guys. See you next week.